Budgie's a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pip and Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors.
Oh, Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nifty, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
The aircraft from Harefield Airfield were working on a scientific expedition to the Arctic. Professor Peterson's team had set up camp on the edge of the Arctic Sea. Now the morning sun began to chase away the bitter cold of the night.
Morning, Budgie.
Hello, Lionel. Chuck's still asleep.
Uh-huh.
Morning, Pip. Pippa? Has Pippa gone off already, Lionel?
What?
I didn't hear her take off.
She didn't take off. No one's flown since we arrived.
Hey, what gives?
Have you seen Pippa?
Well, sure.
Phew.
She's right over the... Hey, where's she gone?
That, Chuck, is what we'd all like to know.
Oh, gosh.
So we have no idea where the plane is or the two mechanics.
Ken Wrench and Mike come.
Sprocket, yes. They were in a tent next to the aircraft. We think a slab of ice broke away in the night and drifted out to sea.
Great Scott!
I've organised a search. We'll just have to hope for the best.
Oh, gosh! Where am I? What's happened?
Ow, Mike! Look where you're putting your feet.
Hey, sorry, man. Hey, Ken, we're at sea.
That was yesterday. Don't be silly.
We are, man. Wow, too much.
What are you on about? How can we be at... Good grief.
So you, Chuck, will search to the east,
Sure will, Lionel.
and you, Budgie, to the west.
Right.
I'll coordinate the search and take care of the expedition. All right?
Fine.
All right.
Off you go, and good luck.
Did you hear something then, Mike?
Don't think so, man.
Oh, thought it might be an engine.
Oh dear, this is terrible. What am I going to do? Mustn't panic. Got to keep calm.
Budgie to Pippa. Can you hear me? Over.
Oh! Pippa to Budgie! Pippa to Budgie! Yes! Yes, I hear you.
Wow. Where are you?
I don't know, Budgie. Well, I'm on an ice floe, but everything looks the same.
Well, don't worry. I'll find you. Over and out. I will find you. I will.
Say what, man?
I didn't speak.
Someone did. Wasn't me.
Run for it!
You're telling me? Well?
Nah, nothing. Aw, gee.
Budgie to Lionel. Budgie to Lionel. Over.
Hey, the kid sounds excited.
Shush. Lionel to Budgie. I hear you.
There they are. I found them. I'm going down.
Budgie. Budgie, you mustn't... He switched off.
I'm gonna help him.
You don't know where he is.
I know he went west, and I can't just leave the little guy.
But, Chuck...
So long, Captain.
God, that was close.
Yeah, I've just about had it, man.
If only there was something I could do.
Look out! Here he comes again! Oof!
Oh, man.
Oh, no. Budgie!
Wow, Budgie.
Well, it ought to work. And if I can drag the ice floe to a big ice sheet, you'll have enough room to take off.
Yes, I know it's a good idea, but it's the if that worries me.
Wow, go, man.
Come on, Budgie!
I don't think it's working, Budgie.
No, it's just too heavy. I don't know what we can...
Chuck to Budgie! Chuck to Pippa! Hey, what do you know? I found ya!
Wow! Chuck, am I glad to see you. Budgie to Pippa. Safe journey.
Pippa to Budgie. Thanks, Budgie. And thank you, Chuck.
Gee, you're welcome, kiddo. Have a good day.
Yes, thanks, Chuck. We'd never have managed without you.
Ah, that's okay, kid. Well, I'd better be getting back. The professor's got work for me to do.
Okay, you go on ahead with Ken and Mike. You're faster than I am. I'll see you back at base.
Sure you can find your way back?
I found my way here.
Sure. Okay, I'm out of here.
What's that? Not another geezer. No, it's not. It's a whale. But what's it doing? Oh, no. That must be its baby, and the poor thing's stuck. Well, I'll have to try this job on my own. Nearly. One more go, maybe. Oh, yes, it's going. Done it! Ah. Oh, my socks are all wet. Oh, that's great. Goodbye. Good luck. Ah. Phew. Another heavy wash. What a way to say thank you. I was having a whale of a time till then.
Yes, seems he was held up by having to rescue a baby whale.
Gosh, I was getting worried.
He should be back any time now.
Great.
By the way, Chuck,
Yes, sir, Captain, sir.
jolly well done.
Gee, thanks, Captain.
Lionel,
Yes, Pippa?
what's the professor doing?
Oh, the balloon. It carries scientific instruments miles up into the sky. Measures all sorts of things up there.
Ah, there's the camp. Soon be home now. Hello. They're playing with a balloon. Oh, no. He's let go of the string. It's getting away.
There it goes.
And here comes Budgie.
Oh, good. Yeah, jolly good. Hey, what's he up to?
They'll be really upset if they lose that. It's a good job I was here. Now then, a little bit tricky, but...
He did what?
There's no need to tell everyone.
He brought their scientific balloon back before it had ever been away! Ha ha ha!
Cool. I bet Lionel was pleased.
I thought he was going to do what the balloon did.
What's that then?
Burst.
Oh, Budgie, he was really proud of you. But it's nice to be home. We've had enough of the Arctic.
Ah, well, that's a pity.
A pity? Why?
It's starting to snow.
Oh, no!